Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to be walking through how to change your notification sounds on your iPhone. First things first, you'll want to open up your Settings app. Okay, now scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Alright, now you should see a list of categories for the different notification sounds you can customize on your iPhone. Let's start with the ringtone. Tap on Ringtone at the top. Currently, it's probably set to the default reflection sound. Give it a listen by tapping it. If you're not a fan and want to change it, simply choose any other option from the list. For this example, I'm going to select the radial sound. Music. Once you've chosen your new ringtone, you can go back and explore the other notification categories. For instance, let's change the text tone. I've already changed mine to slide. Now, if you want to get really fancy and set a custom notification sound, I've got you covered. I'll leave a link in the description to another video that walks you through creating custom ringtones for your iPhone, which you can then use for all sorts of notifications. And that's it. Changing notification sounds is that easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Just a reminder, this is based on my personal experience. All links mentioned will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.